Hi, this is Dr. Bredery from Kalamazoo Podiatry. When people think of sports injuries, many first imagine what can come after a hard hit on the field or court. But not all sports injuries are like that. While we definitely treat our share of foot and ankle injuries that come from trauma and impacts, many sports injuries develop from overuse. These are often injuries such as Achilles tendonitis and stress fractures, caused by pushing your body to a higher intensity than it can handle or not giving it enough time to rest and recover from repetitive motions. Whether you find yourself in sudden pain or have been developing discomfort for a while, the best step you can take is dialing down your activity and giving us a call. We can determine the source of your sports injury and recommend the best ways not only to treat it, but to reduce your risk of further problems in the future. We are even proud to carry advanced treatments such as MS laser therapy and regenerative injection therapy to help athletes get back to action sooner. Don't delay in giving yourself the proper care you need. Call Kalamazoo Podiatry today